In this video, I'll be showing you a simple way to create a page on Facebook. Simple and easy to do that. Just tap on your profile here, and then we scroll to the bottom here to see pages here with the options, and we tap on that. Good. And now you see the pages you have. If you don't have any, you're not going to see any here. Now tap on the create here to create one. It's simple and easy. Just create a new page, you select that, and then you tap on next. Now good to go. You give the page a name, any name of your choice. Let's make it tutorials. And now next. Good, so we give the page a category. Just choose musician, band, anything of our choice, but then it depends on what you are creating the page for. It's up to you. Good, so now we give the page a bio, we give it a website, an email, and the rest. You can do all that. If you don't have that info at the moment, you just tap on next to continue. Good, and that's it. The page has been created and everything, and this is how it looks like. So tap on next. Good, and you can see fully switched to our page. So now we can add a profile picture and everything, and then we can go on and then edit our profile and everything of our choice. So on here we can add an admin and everything, and then we are done. So I have a lot of tutorials on page, so if you want that, you can check that on my channel. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.